You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, and we'll be looking at how to say more names as well from German. So stay tuned to the channel. So this is initially a word in German meaning white, the color white. Now in English it's often said as Weiss, okay? Many families say it that way. Outside of Germany, Weiss. Now in German it's said as Weiss, meaning white, the color Weiss or Weiss. And now you know. More videos, we're here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.